You know, so duty free is now $100 instead of $50. Go and go buy all of the good things, them.
Hey savvy shoppers, it's Shop and Relax with an important reminder and some good news. You are eligible for free shipping with Shop and Relax on your Prime Day items 250 USD in value and above. See the promo link below. Today is the last day of Amazon Prime Day, and if you haven't already, now's the time to grab those amazing deals before they're gone. Whether you're looking for the latest gadgets, home essentials, or gifts for the upcoming holidays, there are discounts across all categories, but it ends at midnight sharp. And don't forget, with Prime Day's exclusive deals, you're getting top-notch savings that you won't see again for months. So what are you waiting for? Head over to Amazon.com, fill your cart with those last-minute items, and make the most of Prime Day before it ends tonight. And remember, Shop and Relax is here to make sure your packages get to you quickly and reliably, wherever you are. Shop smart, save big, and let Shop and Relax handle the rest. Happy shopping and don't miss out. Prime Day ends tonight.
Do you know that duty free is now $100 instead of $50?
No, sir. After when I get talking to start, you know, say.
Oh my gosh.